Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Shout out our top challengers. If you want to feature here, comment your right answer. Our viral question is question number 1. 9 divided by 3 and 9 divided by 3. If you think 9 divided by 3, that is 3 divided by 9 divided by 3, which is 3, and 3 divided by 3 and give you 1, then this is the wrong answer. Pause this video and comment your right answer and try to solve by your own. And I will solve step by step and with the help of PEMDAS. Okay. So what we have, all the operations is division. So we don't have any other operations. And if all the operations have the same priority, then we will solve from left to right. Okay, so we will write again here 9 divided by 3 divided by 9 divided by 3. So when we divide 9 divided by 3, which will give us the result 3. So our question is 3, 9 and 3. So we can write 3 divided by 9 like this. And now 3 by 9 divided by 3. So what we have to do? We have to use the KCF rule. Keep, change, flip. So we will keep this part, change this sign or operation and flip this one. So what we get? 3 by 9 division will be changed to multiplication. 3 will become 1 by 3. So we will solve next. 3 by 9 into 1 by 3. 3, 3, 1, 1 and answer is 1 by 9. So comment your answer. And coming to the next question, here what we have, 10 into 10 divided by 10 minus 10. Pause this video and comment your answer. I will solve step by step, but try to solve by your own. Okay. So here what we have, 10 into 10 divided by 10 minus 10. Okay. So here multiplication and division have the same priority and we have to solve left by right, left to right, as I mentioned earlier. So we will solve for 10 into 10, and when we multiply 10 with 10, we will get 100. Okay. Now many think like 10 will be divided by 10 and answer will be 1, and 1 into 2, 10, which gave 10, and 10 minus 10, which will give them 0. So this is wrong method. This method is the correct one. Okay. But according to our order of operation, we have to solve like PEMDAS. Okay. So what we have here, 10 minus 10 divided by 10. So here 10 into 10, which will be 100, and 100 divided by 10 is equal to 10 and minus 10. So here answer will be also 0. But you have to solve in this order.